Hi all, welcome to my channel. I'm Mark, this is Mark's Mods. There's something a little bit different for you guys. Now, you know we did an unboxing of the USS Voyager, and it have been working on it in the background, doing all the kind of boring stuff. So I'll show you some of which I've started to do. We've had to put holes in for navigation lights, some holes up here as well. So I really have been kind of hacking into this model. But not only have I got the lighting kit for this, I've also gone out and got a photo etch kit. Now, that's what we're going to be looking at today. So, this is more or less the packaging of the kit. Obviously, I've got the kit out of everything. And this is by a company called Stawberry. I bought this on eBay, and I ordered this on the 8th of July, and today is the 14th of July, and it arrived, and that is all the way from Hong Kong. So I was pretty impressed with the shipping costs, and I was pretty impressed with the time that it came. I expected it to come a lot longer than what it did, but 6 days, that's not bad turnaround for something from Hong Kong. Shows that international mail is really getting a lot better these days. So I thought we'd have a look through it and see what we get. So we get 3 etch sheets. So this is the first sheet. So as you can see there, I'm just trying to get that into proper focus. We've got all different bits and pieces on here. So yeah, it's going to be interesting. Now, obviously I want to enhance this model as much as I can. That's why I got the lighting kit. But as I've been hacking into this and all that, I just knew I needed to do something a little bit more with it. So this is why I've got the photo etch kit. So as you can see, we've got proper frames for the windows. We've got transporter emitter pads there. I recognise them from the obviously Enterprise D. So they will be all upgraded. We've got various bits for the bridge. That's going to look a lot nicer than what we've already got. So that's the first sheet. And then we have a sort of second sheet here. I'm being very careful I don't damage this. This is really going to make it stand out a lot more. It really is going to look nice once this is all on. And some of the bits I've already done. They're actually a lot of bits that I'm going to have to fill now and redo with this, because this is a lot better than what we had before. So we've got that. Then we've got this third larger sheet here. Now this is thicker. But we have got, like, these I recognise, these are for the phaser banks. Recognise them straight away. That's for the deflector dish. All different parts on here, very small, but they are really well numbered, if you can see what I mean. So they are really well numbered. It's not one of them that you've just got to go find what it looks like in the instructions and then you got to go find it. So really well punched in there for photo etch. And then finally, now the kit does come with this, but this actually comes with like a scene thing to put on the photo etch windows. So not only, you know, we enhance this model, we've also got an updated screen. So we can kind of see what's going on in there. I'd have to get my magnifying glasses out, to be perfectly honest with you, to see what's going on in there, but it's nice to know we have that option. Now I'm just looking at it. This is kind of a cut out and stick on sheet, if you know what I mean. So it's what we'll have to do with it is cut out the individual windows with a scalpel and then apply them with some glue. Probably just a normal craft glue would do. But it's great that they sent us that. Like I said, the kit did come with one, but obviously this is the upgraded sheet. So let's have a look. So let's go to the instruction. I'll go to the top camera. Here are the instructions. Now, quite in-depth instructions of what we've got to do. So it's telling us that we need to remove something, sand it down, and then the part numbers for the photo etch that's going down. And it is quite well listed what is going on. Now, the one thing that I'm going to have to be careful with this is I'm wanting to more or less paint this and put the decals on and everything before we put it together in some places. So there's some bits I'm going to be able to do and there's some bits I'm not going to be able to do. So I'm probably going to have to use these as a guide basically on what we are doing. But quite comprehensive instructions. They do look nice and simple when you look at them, which is fantastic. As you can see, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pages of instructions for this kit. To say this is quite a simple kit, with it only having 67 parts, it's amazing what we've been able to do to enhance this kit, which is absolutely superb. I really am impressed in what we've been doing. So we've got all the various bits here. Go to the next page. And yeah, more bits on what we need to do and everything. You see, I'm going to have to put this down, but then what I'm going to have to do is I'm going to have to put the photo etch on, and then I have to prime once the photo etch is on the hull. So yeah, it's a case of putting on what I can and basically, yeah, priming it, painting it, and then putting it together. So there's some bits I can do, some bits I'm going to have to wait and do. So whatever I do in this and everything, it just depends. But I really am impressed with the kit. It wasn't a cheap kit, I've got to admit, but I really want to take this kit definitely to another level. And yeah, it seemed to be the sort of better kit out there for what we want. So I am rather impressed with it. It's quite good quality. I've got to admit, I've never even heard of green Stawberry, to be honest with you, but then this is really one of the first models, plastic model kits, that I've really worked on. I'm going to go through some of what we've done so far. So we've got some holes that have been drilled out here. I'm going to go build camera. So we've got some holes that I've drilled out so far for this, for navigation lights. On here I've had to do some channels for the wiring to go to the warp nacelles as well. We've been putting various holes in different places for the wires. Navigation lights as well. Also, again, we've had to put channels in here for more wiring. So it is coming along. It's just coming along slowly, but then I don't want to rush the kit, to be honest with you. So that's more the wires that we put through. Some more holes there. Now, I know one thing the kit does have, and it really does enhance the shuttle bay. So I'm looking forward to that. Some more holes there, and also some more bits there that I've sanded out. I have now all the paints that I need for it as well. So here is another piece that I've been drilling holes in. These are for fibre optics, same with this one. These are for fibre optics as well, so that is going to be really good fun to do. And yeah, like I said, I've got all the paints for it now. So if I just put these back, I've got like a work in progress tray that I can just get to when I need to access it. So yeah, we've got all the colours. So some I did have in-house, some I've had to order. So we've got like Revell 330, that's one I already had. 99 I already had. These three I didn't have, so we got Matte 79, Matte 5, and this really funky one, number 312. Whether I'm used them, I don't know, because like I said, it's got the lighting kit, so that might have been to enhance some of the bits that should have been lit up, but with the lighting kit, not going to need it. I haven't gone with the Revell for these, because these are already in stock, but we do need the blue lacquer. This is X23 for the water cells, and then we need the LP25, and that is for the buzzard collectors and other bits and pieces as well. So again, fantastic really. And then we've just got some Vallejo colours, so we've got 843, 961, 867, 999, 986, 989, 927, 913, 976, I think that's it, yeah. And then finally, another one I always have in stock is the Vallejo matte varnish, which is 520, but I have all three of them in stock anyway, the satin finish and the gloss finish. So that is mainly where we are now with the Voyager kit. I am plugging away at it. Like I said, I'm going to do update videos on it. It's just been a while waiting for a few of the bits to come in, like the photo etch kit. So I've been kind of holding out on waiting for that to come before I start hacking away at the model. So it kind of, I slowed down a little bit on it, but now this has come, I can really start the building process on this, which I'm looking forward to. The one thing I am not looking forward to, and if you've got any tips out there or tools to help me, that would be much appreciated, is the cutting out of the tiny little windows. Now I don't need to cut all of these out because some are lit, some are not lit, it's my preference, but they are a nightmare to do because this is quite thick plastic. So if anybody's got any tips out there on how to hack these out a little bit better, I would be much appreciated, please, because it is a bit of a nightmare and it's going to take quite a number of hours if I've got to do it the way I am doing it. So any advice on that I would absolutely love, please. But I just thought I'd give you an update on where we are with this build. It was quite a popular video, was the unboxing, to be honest with you, because I had quite a few people watch it. Quite a few people said yes, they'd like to see build videos on it as well. So yeah, I don't mind doing update videos like this. It's just, it can be time consuming, that's the thing. So this is why it's an update video, but I wanted to show you the photo etch kit that I got for this build, and yeah, where the model is at the moment. I mean, I'm really happy with it. I really am happy with it so far, but I know I've got a lot more work ahead of me. But if it's something that I'm just solely working in my spare time, and then I can do it in live streams and whatnot, I'm a happy man. I am a very, very, very happy man. But it's a labour of love, this kit. It does help that I'm actually watching Voyager on Paramount Plus at the moment. I'm watching all from season 1 to season 7, the ended 7. And I'm on about season 5 at the moment, so that really does help, even though there's some really weird episodes of Voyager, but yeah, it was out there. Anyway, guys, that's what the situation is with this model at the moment. And yeah, if you like this video, please could you give it a massive thumbs up. I can't do that on this one. There we go. Thumbs up. If you haven't already subscribed, please remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell, and you'll be notified of any videos on the channel. But as for always, guys, stay safe and bye for now.